Cash App imposes certain limits on transactions to ensure security and prevent fraud, but these vary depending on your account type. For unverified users, the weekly sending limit is relatively low, while verified accounts enjoy higher limits after providing additional details like a social security number. When it comes to receiving money, there's no specific cap, though large transactions may be affected by the sender's limits. Instant deposits to your bank account have a maximum threshold per transfer, and ATM withdrawals using the cash card are subject to a daily cap. Bitcoin transactions also come with a weekly limit, which can increase with proper verification. To avoid interruptions, users should verify their identity to access higher limits and plan ahead for larger transfers. While these restrictions might seem limiting, they're designed to protect users and maintain the platform's integrity. Always check your account's current limits within the app to stay informed and manage your finances effectively. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.